How to fix a device isn't compatible with this version. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. First step is to tap open your phone settings. Within your settings, scroll down until you see the option of apps and click on it. From here, you need to head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Play Store. So over here, the first thing that you can do is force stop your app, then head to storage and cache and clear it up to clear any of the bug or the glitch issue. After that, you can head back from here and check for the available update for your device. For that, you can check out the option of System Update. Ensure that your system is up to date and it is an update from the built-in update notification and not just from any other suspicious app or website. After that, you need to go ahead and restart your device. For that, you can press and hold on to the power button. Then tap on the restart button. After this, it will be able to restart your device and the problem will be solved. This brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.